It's become an all too common story for members of the baby boom generation. Out of work in their 50s, they find themselves too young to retire, but too old to start over. But the truth is, you can start over. Pamela Mitchell is the founder and CEO of the Reinvention Institute. It is a career consulting service, and she's the author of The 10 Laws of Career Reinvention, Essential Survival Skills for Any Economy. And it's great to have you with us on CBS this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Anthony and I were just talking about the fact that throughout the Great Recession, covering so many stories of people losing their work was difficult. In particular, people, the baby boomers, losing their job.
Yes.
In part because of ageism.
Absolutely, and that cohort has really been slammed so much because, you know, the thing is that that's the elephant in the room. Ageism does exist, and so to pretend like it doesn't really doesn't do anybody any good. And so the thing is that the key around reinvention is to be able to repackage your skills and talents and use them in a different way. It's really about giving yourself options.
You're in this double sort of bind because as you mentioned, a lot of employers will look at you and think of you as old. And also, if you're in your 50s, you're probably paid more than younger workers, so you're caught doubly. You're too expensive and you're too old.
That's right.
How do you deal with that?
Well, you know, the thing about it is that you got to play in different ponds. A lot of times people continue to go back to the things that they know, and that may or may not work as a strategy. So really what you have to do is say, let me see how I can repackage my skills, look at other ponds that might actually value that experience and value what you bring to the table and want to bring that to their business. So that's really how you have to fight that.
And you're recommending a mini reinvention. How does that look on paper?
Well, you know, a lot of times the idea of reinventing your whole career can be very scary. So you want to break it down into smaller steps. Maybe take on a project that is outside your skill set that helps you develop so you get comfortable stepping out, doing different things, and then moving on from there.
You say that people should know what their plan B is.
Yeah, because the bottom line is that your career is really meant to deliver the finances that you need.
Right.
So, you know, if you're going to be embarking on a reinvention, you've got to understand financially where you stand. And that plan B lets you know, in a certain period of time, if something hasn't come out, here's what I'm going to be doing to kind of meet those needs.
Meet those needs financially, but also possibly thinking of how could you take your skill set and move it somewhere else, which I think is applicable to anyone at any age.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, reinvention is how people need to manage their careers today. It's not just for baby boomers, it is the nature of the world.
So you're saying basically you can't think of yourself as one thing anymore?
No, because there are no more safe industries, there are no more safe companies, so you really have to look at yourself as a package of skills and talents and then look at a whole marketplace about how they can be applied.
They have to be mobile.
Yes.
Which I think makes a lot of sense, but it's also very stressful. I mean, for anybody at any age right now, I feel it, my friends feel it, Anthony, everybody I know is stressed out about all of this. Pamela Mitchell, we really appreciate you joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.